Mashable Jobs Online Job Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our Mashable Jobs Online Job Platform Review. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what Mashable Jobs offers, how it works, and who it's best suited for. If you're looking for a job in tech, digital media, marketing, or creative industries, this platform could be a valuable resource. You'll find links to Mashable Jobs in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Mashable Jobs is a specialized job board focused on technology, digital marketing, social media, and creative roles. It's an extension of the popular Mashable website, which is known for covering digital culture, tech trends, and online media. This makes it a great platform for professionals in content creation, UX UI design, social media management, advertising, software development, and marketing. The job board features listings from startups, major tech companies, digital agencies, and media organizations, offering a mix of freelance, remote, and full-time roles. Navigating Mashable Jobs is simple. You can filter jobs by keyword, category, location, and company, making it easy to find relevant openings. Many of the listings come from high-profile employers, and the site also provides insights into emerging job trends in the digital industry. Job seekers can create an account, upload a resume, and apply directly to positions, streamlining the process. One advantage of Mashable Jobs is that it connects job seekers with employers that are actively looking for talent in digital industries, meaning you won't have to sift through unrelated job postings. However, compared to major job platforms like LinkedIn or Indeed, Mashable Jobs has a smaller number of listings, so it's best used as part of a broader job search strategy. Overall, Mashable Jobs is a great niche platform for professionals in tech, media, and marketing. If you're in one of these industries, it's worth checking out for targeted job opportunities. Make sure to explore the links in the description for more job hunting resources, and good luck with your search.